Hello, I'm Dragos, and in this video I will show you how you can reset your WordPress website to the default settings without a plugin and with a plugin, so you have both options. I have here one website where I have a couple of posts created on it. It has a WooCommerce plugin installed on it, and we're gonna use this one to reset it to the default settings without a plugin at the beginning. So to reset the website to the default settings without the help of any plugin, you need to go into the database and into the file manager. So to do that, we're gonna use this cloud panel. I will let you a link into the description for the tutorial of how you can install this panel and how it can help you. So we need to go to sites, and in here we have the domain. You can do the same thing in the cPanel, you need to open the database and the file manager so you can clean up everything. So to reset it, we just need to open the phpMyAdmin in here, and in here I have all the tables. So this is the database. I will choose all the tables for this, check all. What I will do, I will drop everything. Let's see, drop. Okay. So right now I have dropped the database. So this database is empty. What we need to do next is to go to the file manager. You can use your cPanel for that and go where the website is installed. In my case, it's in here. And in here in the UP content area, in the uploads, we can remove the years and everything if we want. I will just remove all of this from here right now. Okay. Let me also delete this. So right now we have the clean installation. What we need to do next is to go and reconfigure this, because right now we don't have a database and we need to access again this website. And when we will do that, WordPress will ask us to enter the database details again, and it will create all the tables for us. Let's go and do that in English. In here, you put again the site title. Let me copy it from here. The username, your password, okay. You hit install WordPress, and right now the WordPress was installed. Let's go and see. So we don't have anything activated. In here is the default installations for WordPress. If we go and check this website, you'll see that it should have the default theme and only one post in there. Okay, let's refresh this. Okay, so you see that right now you have the default settings that are in here with the default URL structure. If we check again the database, let's refresh this, you'll see that the tables were created automatically by WordPress. So in this way you can easily reset the WordPress installation without a plugin. Just remember that the plugins were not deleted, they are just staying there. If you check the install plugins, if you don't need them, you can delete them from here. They are not activated, they are inactive. So next, let me set up again the WordPress website, and then we'll see how we can reset this with the help of the plugin, where we'll have also more options for it. For resetting an website with the help of the plugin, I have here a website created that has a store on it with a theme. and we're gonna go and reset this. To do this, we need to go into the admin area, in the plugins add new, and install the UP reset plugin. This plugin has a free version and a paid version, but for me the free version is enough. It has what I need. Reset. This is the plugin. You need to install it and activate it. There are other reset plugins that you can use, but I like this one. Next, let's go into Tools, UP Reset. And in here you have the options to see the different settings between the free and the Pro version. And in here we have the options to do the site reset and the create a snapshot if we want. For the site reset, you have the option to keep the current theme active if you want to reactivate all the current active plugins. I will let it like this and see what it is doing. So right now it is going and resetting the WordPress installations, and right now you see that everything was deactivated. You see here that you still have the plugins, they are deactivated. If we go to the website and we check, let me open it, you'll see that the default theme was installed and the default post it's here. So in this way you are resetting your WordPress to the default. You can do this with a plugin or without a plugin. If you choose a plugin, you can also let it inactive and only activate it when you need it. If you just need to reset this to the default setting, so you don't risk into having vulnerabilities caused by the plugin. So thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you next time.